look at the power space, every now and then we are seeing big moves coming in. Look at Torrent Power in the last 1 month. Pull it, Torrent Power, JSW Energy, last 1 month, 6 month kind of a move you would see. That's today's graph. See, 15% in 1 month Torrent Power has gained. JSW Energy will also come up on your screen. Clearly, some of the utility companies, there is also focus on NTPC ahead of their 1 month, okay, from 640 odd above the 700 mark. 10% is what NTPC has gained in last 1 month. So, we will do a valuation check as far as power sector is concerned with Rupesh Sankhe. Rupesh, some new triggers appear to be coming. I mean, some Adani Group power stocks were also buzzing after a big QIP. Now we are seeing Torrent on a run. NTPC also ahead of their green renewable arm IPOs warm, and there is a lot of talk around the power storage, power pump storage opportunity for some of these utility companies. First of all, what are your top picks from the power utility space purely on valuation and risk reward?
Good afternoon. In terms of valuation, I think if you look at in the last 3 years, the most of these companies have delivered close to 5x kind of share price returns. And what has changed in the last 3 years that most of these conventional players have entered into renewable space in a big way. So there was a clear better capital allocation given the high operating cash flows they were generating from the existing regulated assets. Companies have entered into battery storage, pump hydro storage, renewable energy, and they are getting benefit out of this. So in terms of valuation, no doubt, the few private players where the valuation has gone up significantly. 3 years back, the EV/EBITDA multiple was close to 6-7 times, now close to 15-16 times. The PE multiple, which were around 6-7 times, is now close to 30-35. So clearly, these companies are getting a better option value for the asset they are generating beyond 28, beyond 30. So in terms of topics, we'll like CESC, Calcutta Electricity Supplier, which is trading at a discount to other private players, and now they have entered into renewable energy. So they have 3 gigawatt of 2.5 gigawatt of operational capacity, and they are adding close to 3 gigawatt in the next 2 to 3 years, and another 7 gigawatt there in the pipeline. So they are taking their capacity from 2.5 to 10 gigawatt in the next 5 to 7 years, and they have strong operating cash flows. So we don't see any funding issues there, and the price to book value is trading at 1.6 times price to book value, which is a 50-60% discount to other players which are trading at 3.5 to 4 times kind of price to book value. So in the mid cap, we prefer CESC. In the large cap, we continue to believe the NTPC has a lot of option value from pump hydro storage, from renewable energy arms, and the new fresh thermal ordering which are expected to come because of demand supply mismatch. So there is NTPC is a key beneficiary out of that. So they will get a significant thermal ordering ahead. So NTPC has a lot of option value. And once they come with the renewable IPO, I think we will see value unlocking from the renewable space. So we like NTPC, CESC, and a few companies in the hydro space like NHPC and HJVN. They are also have a strong project pipeline ahead, almost 4x, 5x from their current operational assets. And so their earning growth could be significantly higher. And their regulated equity will see close to 3x, 4x kind of a jump from the current levels. So we are positive on the entire sector, but few companies where valuation comfort is there from the near-term perspective.
Fair point. Rupesh, since you spoke about NTPC option value, one of the option values is the renewable arm which is lined up maybe say 2 months from now. How big a valuation do you see that arm may actually achieve when they go for IPO?
Yeah, so if you look at the renewable energy, current operational capacity is 3.5 gigawatt, and their target is to take this 3.5 to close to 60 gigawatt by 2032. They have strong operating cash flow, so we don't have any issues there in terms of funding constraint. Second, if you take their new initiative in the pump hydro storage, so they have close to 14.5 gigawatt kind of pump hydro storage initiatives there. And if we take with the what the national electricity policy that has announced our thermal capacity, coal-based has to move from 210 gigawatt currently to close to 290 gigawatt. So another 50 gigawatt kind of a potential is there. And we expect that NTPC will get significant market share there. So if we add all these things, I think market cap potential is close to 8 to 9 lakhs by 2028, 30. But I think from a 2 to 3 years perspective, even if we look at the renewable capacity addition by 26, 27, still 20% upside is there. From longer term perspective, no doubt, we'll see significant upside from the current levels.
Right. All right, Rupesh, we'll let you go on that one. That a lot of interesting stock picks. Actually, NHPC just came on the channel about a week back and did speak about that. What Rupesh was mentioning, big capex addition as far as their own capacity is concerned. Thanks for your time today, Rupesh.
If you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe to ET Now.